Good day, my friends. Today we are going to discuss how we are going to upgrade from VirtualBox version 6 to 7 upgrade. What I am having in my computer is Oracle VirtualBox version 6, which is old, and now Oracle has released the latest version of 7. We can upgrade this version 6 from this version 7. Even though you have not installed any version of VirtualBox on your PC at the moment, to do a fresh installation also you can follow the same steps that I am going to discuss on this video. You may follow the same steps to install the fresh installation of VirtualBox. You open your browser and go to virtualbox.org. After that, you have to go to the download section. Then you can select the installation based on your platform. For Windows, for your Mac, as Linux distros as well. So I am going to select the Windows host. Then it will get downloaded to your download folder like this. So installation will be downloaded at that section. So you will have the VirtualBox all the builds on this section. You can download the previous version of VirtualBox from this previous version of downloads. Once you download the main installation file, you can go down further. Then you have to download this VirtualBox extension pack. So that will be very useful in future to download this as well. You need both of these installations on your download section. Now now those are downloaded. We will open our download folder. We will check what will happen when you double click and run this main installation setup. So you will get a message like this when you run the installation. So you may need to install Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 version prior to this installation. Without that, you can't continue on this setup. Now we will open the web browser again and we try to download Visual C++ download. So you may go to the first link coming. So this is on Microsoft site. Microsoft Visual C++ redistributed latest supported section. You need to download the latest version of this one. So there are few versions of this depending on your platform. There are 3 links. So but my platform is x68 architecture, 64-bit architecture. So what I am going to download is that particular link. So I am clicking on that link and downloading one. So for the previous version of Windows, if you have a lot of old laptop, old computer, you can download the x86 download. So ARM-based 64 download is for the mobile-based processors. So what I am going to download is a x64 based download. So now it's downloading. Once it's downloaded, you can go to the download folder of your computer and you can run the setup. It's not a big thing, is a basic installation. You will go through that and install this file. Further to that, you may need another programming software called Python. So you need to download the Python as well. So we'll see how we are going to download that particular software. So go to this site, and on the Python website you can click on this download Python 3.1.2.4 version. So that also we can run the download and do the installation. So once I download it, it will be available on a download folder. So you will just run that setup.exe. Now it will come to this particular screen. You have to click on the customize installation tip, and you go to this section, customize option. You have to check these checkboxes, then click on the next. Install Python 3.1 for all users. You have to select that. Otherwise it will be installed on a logged on user. You have to select for the all users, then click on the install button. Now the installation is running. Let it run for a while. Once it's completed, you can go to the next page. Now installation is completed. Then you have to click this button, disable path length limit. You have to click here. Setup was successful. Then you can close this window. Now we'll run this. Once you run the setup, you will get a message like this. Now there's another thing we need to do. We have to set up the Win32 bindings. So I'll show you how to do that on command line. So open a command window. Then you have to type this command. First you have to go to the C Windows System32 directory. Then you have to type this command. I'll put these three commands on the description so you can easily copy and paste. So you run this command. Once you run this command, you have to type the second command. The second command is python.exe -m pip install -upgrade pip. So this command is, you can copy it from this place, and also I will put that in the description. You can copy and paste. I'll copy this from here and paste and run. Second time, this is the command that you need to run. To take some time. It's an upgrade process. Now it's done, successful. that's complete now. We'll run the VirtualBox main setup again. We'll go ahead with the process and click on the install. Our installation is running successfully. It will take some time to complete. Wait for a minute. Step is going on. It's upgrading the previous version of VirtualBox 6 to 7. Now the version 7 installation is completed. Now we can start the new version. Right. Now the new version is upgraded. Here you will get the welcome message and you will get all the previous VirtualBox settings and previous virtual machines also you can upgrade. You can check the update. Then it will ask for the download the VirtualBox extension pack. So we have already downloaded that one, so we can go ahead and do that installation. You can run that from the previously download folder. This VirtualBox Oracle version 7 we can run it. So once you run it, it will ask for the upgrade. Then you click on there. So then you say agree to the license agreement. Now the extension pack is successfully installed. That's it for guys. So you will welcome to VirtualBox 7 version. Let's meet up with the next video of this channel. Please subscribe.